Hey folks, Brian here, your honest mechanic. In today's video, I will be unveiling 5 car secrets only experienced drivers know. These aren't just tips, they're essential strategies that can keep your car running smoothly and save you money over time. Stick around because number 5 is a game changer that even many seasoned drivers overlook. It could save you from a roadside disaster. But first, if you enjoy honest car advice, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Driving only short distances harms your engine. Here's the scoop. If you only drive short distances, like to the grocery store, you might be unintentionally harming your engine. Every time you start your car, it takes time for the oil to warm up properly. Short trips prevent the oil from reaching optimal temperatures, leading to moisture buildup that can turn into sludge over time. The solution? Aim for at least one longer drive each week. About 20-30 minutes at highway speeds. This helps evaporate moisture and keeps your engine in top shape. Secret 2. Occasionally redline your engine. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, but bear with me. Revving your engine high, what we call redlining, is actually good for your car, if done responsibly. Engines are designed to handle a wide range of RPMs, and when you baby your car too much, you're not letting it operate at its full potential. Carbon deposits can build up in the combustion chamber, your catalytic converter gets clogged, and before you know it, your car feels sluggish. Now what should you do? Take your car out to an open road now and then and push it close to redline. Just don't exceed it. This clears carbon buildup and keeps your engine responsive. Think of it as a workout for your car. Secret 3. Check and clean your battery terminals. Every 2 to 3 months, let's talk batteries. Most people ignore them until their car won't start on a cold morning. By then it's too late. Experienced drivers know to check battery terminals regularly for corrosion, a white or bluish powder that can disrupt connections and shorten battery life. What can you do? 1. Grab a spanner, a wire brush, and some baking soda mixed with water. 2. Disconnect the battery, negative terminal first. 3. Scrub off the corrosion, rinse, and dry thoroughly. This little bit of maintenance can save you from a costly battery replacement and even improve your car's electrical performance. Oh, and it ensures your alternator isn't overworking itself to compensate for bad connections. Secret number 4. Change your oil. Every 5,000 miles, no exceptions. Now I know what you're thinking, but Brian, my manual says I can go 10,000 miles between oil changes, and they are right. Synthetic oil can last, however, if you really want your car to last long. 5,000 miles oil changes are a sweet spot. Yeah, the oil might look clean, but it's what you can't see that matters. Think of it like this. Would you rather spend $50 on an oil change or $5,000 on an engine rebuild? I've seen both bills, and trust me, the oil change is always cheaper. Secret number 5. Always carry a small tire pressure inflator. This little beauty right here has saved more stranded drivers than I can count. A portable tire inflator costs about $30, takes up barely any space, and could be the difference between making it home and waiting hours for roadside assistance. The best part? Most slow leaks give you plenty of warning. With this tool, you can add enough air to get to a repair shop safely instead of damaging your tire by driving flat.